Hi guys, how are you? I'm Robin, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. Now for me, my nighttime routine is as important, if not really more important, than my morning routine. When we're sleeping, our body's repairing itself and there are a few little products I like to use to help it do this. I always double cleanse at night to remove any cosmetic products, sweat, bacteria and dead skin cells. Now the Erno Laszlo Detoxifying Double Cleanse is a product I've been using for about 3 years and I absolutely love it. Massaging into dry skin, the cleansing oil first dissolves surface impurities, eliminating toxins and also helps to jumpstart cell turnover, which is really vital at night. I then wet the cleansing bar before massaging all over my face. Rich in minerals, this bar detoxifies, exfoliates and hydrates my skin. I find that it's the perfect duo for my oily complexion. After washing and drying my face, I move on to brushing my teeth. Now I've been using the Oral-B electric toothbrush for about 6 months. It works on a 2-minute timer pulsing every 30 seconds so that I know when to move on to another part of my mouth. Also, it's really great if you've got sensitive gums like me as it flashes red if you're pushing too hard. From the bathroom, it's then into the bedroom to start on my skin. Now I'm currently combining 2 products from NIOD that I absolutely love. The Copper Amino Isolate Serum 2:1 is my go-to for healthy looking skin. The Pro Repair Pro Collagen Serum targets all signs of skin aging, really what I need at my age. It's powered by a high concentration of skin supporting copper tripeptides. The product helps repair textural damage, spots and also evens out skin tone. I then moved to use NIOD's multi-molecular hyaluronic complex, quite a mouthful, we'll just call it the MMHC. This combines 12 forms of hyaluronic compounds to hydrate the skin, stimulate the production of collagen, and provide antioxidant protection. Together these products leave my skin feeling smooth and youthful, and I should say I have been using them for about 3 months and would definitely recommend them. My final skin step is to use my night moisturizer. Now I really enjoy using Shiseido's WASO Clear Mega-Hydrating Cream. As the name suggests, it gives my skin an instant hydration boost, which is perfect when I'm sleeping. Now interestingly, the key ingredient in this is whole carrot cells. Yeah, carrot cells. The cells are high in water and nutrients to keep skin healthy and moisturized. It's not just my skin, my hair also gets some overnight help. I like to use a couple of drops of Nioxin's Night Density Rescue to help promote hair thickness. Now it's a leave-in treatment that boosts density and reduces hair fall. It's a product I've been using for about a year and I have seen the effects on my hair. I like to have my diffuser on for an hour at night. Using lavender oil really helps me to relax and ease myself into a good sleep. And then from there, it's a solid 6 to 8, if I'm lucky, hours sleep, ready for a new day. Thanks very much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this one. Be sure to subscribe if you've not yet done so and check out my other videos on my channel. But until my next new video, bye bye.